I cannot print anything. Having printer issue, whatever you try printing, it rotates. Without printing, the computer freezes. Like you see, I try printing, it freezes. So it happens on every application, even on Microsoft Office, and on the browser, or any application. Immediately you click print, the system freezes and it keeps rotating. Okay, I click print, it freezes. Now, how do you resolve it? Okay, the best to resolve it is to go to your Printer Spooler. Okay, just on the services. Okay, you have services, type services, and it's displayed. You go to Printer Spooler. With Printer Spooler, you can resolve this. Just select Printer Spooler on the service option and click restart. Click restart, and when the restart operation is done, you can print now. Let's try it. Okay, let's go back and select printing. Okay, it's now up. The printing option that doesn't used to show before is now showing. And if you go back to the printer, you see that it is printing now. We've sent a job and it prints. So you use Printer Spooler to handle print issues when the system freezes. I hope you do enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.